This is very interesting today's topic that is about the differences of different fibers, animal fibers, plant fibers, man-made fibers, synthetic fibers with respect to categories and with respect to origin, composition and process. We have taken the fibers when we compare animal we have taken silk fiber, and in plant based is cotton fiber, in man-made cellulosic is viscose filament, modal fiber, and Naya cellulosic acetate fiber or yarn. In the case of synthetic fibers, polyesters. These are the categories: animal based fibers, plant based fibers, man made cellulosic fibers, and synthetic fibers. When we compare the origin of these fibers, bio based, one section is bio based, silk is caterpillar segregation source, and for the cotton is cotton plant source, and of the viscose is wood pulp source. For the motile fiber it is has also wood pulp source. Naya cellulosic fiber, it has also wood pulp source. And while we discuss about the polyester, no, it is oil based source like crude oil, MEG, monoethylene glycol, and PTA, polyterephthalic acids, and crude oil for the case of polyester. Impact on natural resources: in case of animal fiber, silk, resources and energy intensive cultivation, animal welfare issues. So, in case of cotton, high water use in cultivation, high use of pesticides in non-organic cottons. In the case of man-made cellulosic fibers, may be sourced from underaged or innocent foresters, or modal may be sourced from endangered innocent foresters. For the case of Naya, sourced from certified plantations, it can be said that FSC certified, forest stewardship certified plantation. While in case of polyester, sourced from a non-renewable sources. So the next is biodegradability. When we discuss about the biodegradable properties of these fibers, silk is biodegradable. Yes, cotton, it has also biodegradable, and viscose, that is produced from wood pulp, it has also biodegradable. And modal, yes, for the case of modal, biodegradability is okay. And Naya, it has also biodegradable properties. While for the case of synthetic fibers, polyester, it is non-biodegradable. So this was the difference with respect to fiber categories and examples and origins. Now when we compare with respect to process, in process first section is chemical usage. For the case of animal based fibers, silk, pesticides used in cultivation, while for case of cotton, pesticide used in cultivation. This was the animal and plant based. In case of man-made cellulosic, made from carbon disulfide, and sulfuric acid. Wood pulp is done chemically reacted with carbon disulfide and sulfuric acid. For the case of modal, made with carbon disulfide and sulfuric acid, same process almost. While we compare with Nyaya cellulose, it is made with acetic acid and acetone, as we have mentioned. Nyaya cellulosic yarn or Nyaya cellulosic fiber acetate, it is made with acetic acid and acetone. In case of synthetic fiber, polyester, terephthalic acid blended with ethylene glycol. As in initially we have discussed that the source is oil based, is crude oil, and crude oil is further when we dig out the origin of this MEG, monoethylene glycol, and PTA, purified terephthalic acids, are mixed, so the polyester is produced. Next, for the purpose of process closed loop production, in the case of animal fiber it is not applicable, and for the plant based fiber cotton it is not applicable. So you can say these are produced on linear production model. And in case of viscose filament depends on manufacturer, and the for modal depends on manufacturer. When we discuss about Nyaya, it is closed loop model, and polyester depends on manufacturer. So in the end, when we compare water usage, silk high cultivation, and for the cotton high cultivation, and for viscose made with wet spinning process, and modal medium and in wet spinning process, and Nyaya no in dry spinning process, and polyester low in dry in melt spinning process. So this was the water usage in case of animal fiber high water consumption, cotton high water consumption, and viscose medium, modal medium, Nyaya low water consumption, and polyester has also low water consumption. The process is for the animal fiber cultivation process and cotton cultivation process and viscose wet spinning process, for the modal wet spinning process, and Nyaya dry spinning process, and polyester is produced by melt spinning process. This was the overview of these fibers.